Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English The Topper's Choice. In today's video, we are going to discuss class 8th lesson from Honeydew book, A Short Monsoon Diary. At first, we'll discuss about the author of this lesson. The author of this lesson is Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born on 19th May 1934. He is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landour, Mussoorie, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, his novel in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. Introduction to this lesson, A Short Monsoon Diary. This lesson, A Short Monsoon Diary, gives us a glimpse of the diary written and maintained by Ruskin Bond. What is diary? Actually, a diary is a record of personal experiences written day after day over a long period of time. You can also use a diary to note down things you plan to do immediately or in future. One of the most famous diaries published as a book is the Diary of Anne Frank. In his diary, Ruskin Bond wrote about the silent miracles of nature as the mountains receive monsoon showers. The monsoon season in Mussoorie begins around the last week of June and continues till the end of August. The cold rains are welcomed in October till the last darkest cloud in March, which renders the sky clear for the rainbow after it hails. Now we'll discuss the summary of this lesson, A Short Monsoon Diary. In this chapter, there are the extracts from the diary of the famous author and nature lover Ruskin Bond. The author describes the flora and fauna during the monsoon in Mussoorie. He wrote these experiences day-wise. 24th June is the first day of the monsoon mist. The mist has covered the hills and also quietened the birds. He can hear Bijju calling his sister and feel that he is running. However, due to mist, he is unable to see Bijju. The author says that the mist has changed the Mussoorie hills in two ways. Firstly, one cannot see the hills, and secondly, cannot hear the birds chirping. On 25th June, the rain is warm and humid and is thus comfortable, unlike the winter rain. The flowers are blooming. He describes the hill station as a paradise that might have been. On 27th June, one can see leeches appearing due to the monsoon. A leopard was also seen stealing dogs and other animals. Some new birds like minivets can also be seen. Minivets are bright-colored birds and sit silently among the leaves. One can also see some seasonal flowers blooming. It's 2nd August and has rained all night. The sound of the rain on the tin roof delights him. He feels he is untouched, yet is in touch with the rain. On 3rd August, the rain stops and there is sunshine. Animals, birds, and humans are all out in open sunshine. The author is pleased to hear a song of a whistling thrush coming from a distance. On 12th August, he writes that it has been raining non-stop for more than a week. Everything is damp but not cold. Flowers have covered the hills. If one needs to go out, he needs to carry an umbrella. It's 31st August and monsoon growth can be seen everywhere. The seeds of the cobra lily are becoming red, which is an indication that the rains are coming to an end. Snakes and rodents have taken shelter in attics, roofs, and godowns as the holes are full of rainwater. It's on the 3rd of October. This year, the monsoon was much longer than usual. Usually, it starts in the last week of June and continues until the end of August. Now, the winter rain has begun. On 26th January, the author wrote a poem about winter rain. He says that the winter rain makes him feel lonely as a friend who was staying with him has left. He also says that there are no flowers in winter rain as there were in monsoon rains. It's 23rd March and the end of winter. One can see a rainbow in the clear sky after a hailstorm. Now we'll discuss main points of this lesson, a short monsoon diary. Number 1, June 24th. It is the first day of monsoon mist. The mist has concealed the hills. It has also silenced the birds. The author hears Biju calling to his sister. He can feel that Biju is running. However, the mist doesn't let him see Biju. The mist appears to change the hills in two ways. It conceals the hills from view. It also makes them silent. It is so because the birds fall silent in the mist. Number 2, June 25th. The rain is warm and humid, so it is not as comfortable as the rain in winter. The flowers are coming up. The author describes the hill station and valley in one sentence. It is a paradise that might have been. Number 3, June 27th. The monsoon has brought leeches. A leopard has also been seen. It has been stealing dogs and other animals. Some seasonal flowers also appear. More importantly, new birds appear. Among them are minivets. These are brightly colored birds. They sit silently among the leaves. Number 4, August 2nd. It has rained all night. The sound of the rainfall on the tin roof pleases the author. One is untouched and yet in touch with the rain. Number 5, August 3rd. The rain stops. There is sunshine. People, animals, and birds are out in the open once again. The song of a whistling thrush coming from a distance pleases the author. Number 6, August 12th. It has been raining non-stop for more than a week. Everything is damp. One can go out only with an umbrella. But it is not cold. The hills are covered with flowers. Number 7, August 31st. Monsoon growth is visible everywhere. The seeds of the cobra lily are turning red. This is an indication that the rains are coming to an end. All holes are full of rainwater. So, snakes and rodents have taken shelter in roofs, attics, and godowns. Number 8, October 3rd. This year, monsoon rain continued much longer than usual. Now there is winter rain. A hailstorm has cleared the sky. Number 9. January 26. The author wrote a poem about winter rain. The winter rain makes the author more lonely. A friend who had been staying with him has left. Unlike the monsoon rain, there are no flowers in the winter rain. Number 10. March 23. It is the end of winter. After a hailstorm, there is a rainbow in the clear sky. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.